we're back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how we make breakfast in the Whitfield household. Stay tuned. Don't you click off, because I'll be watching. I'll be seeing y'all. We got Layla. We got Jackson. Sarah just went upstairs with Dad. I have already went ahead and put my bacon in the oven. I like my bacon in the oven. If you ain't doing your bacon in the oven, what you doing? What you doing? So bacon goes in the oven or air fryer, but I ain't tried that yet. So we gonna stick with the oven. We got us some good old cream and wheat. I'm gonna show you how we make that real good. We got Sarah in the cut. Woo woo. Say hi.
Break the roof.
Then we got Corny Layla. Now I'm also gonna make us some croissants. Dana need to make 2 packs because we love croissants around here. Y'all like croissants? Let me know down there in the comments if y'all like croissants like we like croissants. Then, you know, we add a little fruit with our breakfast. So yeah, it is about noon. That's when I start my day. I'm sorry, I'm a terrible parent, I guess.
Bruh.
But normally I get up Layla for our homeschool, virtual e-learning. Then I go back to sleep. I'll lay back down because I go back to sleep. And then about 11 noonish, I get up, fix breakfast. We got Jack down here eating his graham crackers. Yeah, we got a graham crackers. So yeah, that's that. Now I'm gonna get our pot for our cream and wheat. Got our pot. Then get our water. You know, we got a new oven and all. I don't think I like the bag down here. Especially 1 for kids. And then for 2, you know, you lean up against it, and now you're hitting, and now it's turned on, now you about to start a fire. I mean, good thing we got electric, but we had gas. What we doing? We on fire. Sorry. So we got the cream and wheat, and we for service, because, you know, it's a lot of us. So we need 4 cups of water. Alright, put this on. I put it on high because I'm lazy and I don't got time to be waiting. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. So, alright, put the back inside. Alright. Put the rest of the bacon back up. Let me know down in the comments, do your significant other always got the arrow? I think it's about 56 degrees here in Indiana. He still got the arrow. That's why I got my robe on. It's cold. Anybody else partner do that? I'm going to bust out the heater in a minute. Alright, so now we're going to get our baking sheet. Oh, we got Jack. Can't never do breakfast without Jack. Ain't that right, buddy? Yes, okay.
Guess what? I got 3 out of
3 out of 0. 3 out of what? Are you sure? You got 3 out of 3. Or you got 0 out of 3. Okay. Yeah, might need that for directions. Alright, just crack this bad boy open. Okay. Just slap it on there. Alright, Jackson. Let me give you another cracker. You just roll these up. You know, they already pre-cut for you. So, easy. What you saying bye to? We ain't done yet. What? Hi. Say hi. Okay. Mela, where we gonna get Tringle bacon from? Your kid just said a random stuff. Tringle bacon. Where am I gonna get that from? I'm gonna go skin the pig to get my Tringle bacon. Alright. So we're gonna put down 3 cents. And then we just gonna let it bake for a few little minutes. But first my bacon. Alright. That's starting to warm up. So try right there. Oh, nah, it's hot. Get back. It's hot? Yes, it's hot. For 4 cups of water or milk, you're gonna put 3/4 cup. I don't know if somebody gonna say, that's for liquid. Let me do what I do. Okay. Okay. 3/4 cup. Spoon. The thing about cream of wheat, you're gonna want to stir it as you're pouring, or you're gonna clump up on it. Jackson. Alright, so this is ready. So you're going to start pouring. So the thing about it, it be boiling. So lift it off a little bit. Or you turn down the heat, but you still need to lift it or it's going to overflow. I'll turn it down a little bit. And you keep on stirring. They say it's a trick. You just put your spoon on top of it. It won't overflow. Now how true that is, I don't know. But I just keep on stirring so it won't clump up. Alright, and then we're going to check on our bacon as well. And the bacon's looking good. So we're going to bake on the bottom. So that's $3.75. And for that heat up, then we're going to put our croissants in there. And go back to stirring this. Also need to flip our bacon up. And you want to add a lot of butter. There's about a half a stick. I got some more over here. A little blurry. A little bit. Put it down a little bit more. Thicken up. Make me a cup of coffee. If you don't know by now, I love coffee. I've been trying to stay off of it. You know, I stick to 1 cup a day, but I gotta have it every day. Got my cup. Let's see what flavor we're gonna do today. Guess I need a restock. Hey, buddy. All right, so we got breakfast blend, donut shop, mocha, and vanilla. I think I'm gonna go with breakfast blend today. With my green tea later on this evening. Alright, so I like my coffee strong. Correction, I don't like the Starbucks coffee strong because it's already strong by itself. Right? You just need a little coffee, not a whole lot. So I just put it on regular. And then I press start. Checking our bacon again, and it's almost about ready. But like a little bit more crispier. Alright, so let's thicken it up. Our oven's ready for our num nums, aka croissants. Called num nums. Put that in there. For a few little minutes. Check our bacon. Probably should flip it one more time. Okay, so now we're about to take our burnt bacon out. Of course, if you don't like your bacon crispy, all you gotta do is take it out sooner. Alright, that's good, creamy. And we're just waiting on our num yums. See, not too bad, a little bit longer. It's been 10 minutes. I think our num yums is good. Ready to go. Oh yeah, they're good. Nums. Alright, so yep. As my husband would call it, cancer butter. Right there down there. Alright, now let's dish the kids' plate. And that is breakfast, guys. Bon appetit.
Thank you, Mommy. Mama.
You're welcome. Now we are. Let's try it. So soft and buttery. Yeah. So guys, make sure you guys spam below. Tell me what's your favorite thing to eat for breakfast. And make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
Hey, give my bacon. No.